Everybody, and welcome to Cooking with Bjarne. So this is the first part of all 10 parts I'm going to do of this, yes. So the first thing we are going to need for this, some egg and some bacon. And yes, so first thing we are going to do, take the egg. We are going to need, I don't know what, yes. First egg. Ooh, I'm good to this. Oops. Sorry. Stop. Now I have put the egg in this bowl and I put 5 eggs in and then I'm going to put the ingredients in. Black pepper, Maggi soda, and salt. And now we're dumping the salt in. Not the salt, yeah. Oh no! I just spilled on the pack with the eggs. But then we need some black pepper. Then flip it. Yes. Then. Oh. Turn up for this. 8. Now we're going to need some oil. Just so. Ooh, skills. Ah, it's yes, so. Again. Now we are going to use this. And now I'm putting the egg. It's really. Ooh, la. Ooh. Yes, and yes. Now we are going to do the bacon. Oh, the pan is really messy. And now we're going to bacon. We see a mussel. Oops. Oh. It's really funny to do. Ooh. And now we have put the bacon on the pan, and yes. Smoke in the air, country. Yellow skate. Bacon is really good, and we're going to, me and him are going to rate. We are going to eat the food, and after we are going to rate it. Yes, guys, you must to see this. Look. Oh. Yes, I'm back now. This is the food. Now we're going to open the candy. You open first. Oh, I just love that sound. Wait a minute.
2 hours later.
Now we're going to eat it. I'm going to clip it. And yes, so we're going to rate it to 1 of 10. And yes, See you. We're back now and we're going to rate it from 1 to 10. What do you say?
9.
I say 8. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and